What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut PPF headlight film on this 2025 Subaru Forester. This is a wet application film, so you are going to be installing it with like a slip solution and then squeegeeing out the water from behind the film. Some tools you'll need for today are a spray bottle with 7 parts water, 1 part rubbing alcohol, and then you also need a squeegee. And before starting anything, you want to go ahead and wash the vehicle and the surrounding area, and then right prior to installation, you want to wipe down the lens with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber, just to make sure all the contaminants are off of it. So this is like a 2-piece section. Let's start with the harder of the two first, which is going to be the upper film, and then show you the bottom afterwards. So once you pull the film off the backing paper, you can go ahead and spray down that film. And I apologize in advance for probably being in this video too much. I'm gonna try to make it so you can see as much as you can. So once you have that aligned to where it needs to be, you can go ahead and grab your squeegee. Start to squeegee out the water from behind the film. You can use the squeegee that we have available on the website as well. A little bit different style. This one just conforms a little bit better. But if you have the squeegee in our installation kit, same thing. You just want to use the soft edge of the squeegee to do this. But that squeegee is pretty flexible as well, so you shouldn't have an issue. So I do have a nice pocket trapped here. I'll just pull that film back a little bit to get to that trapped pocket. Spray this back down again. Then you go ahead and work this film back down. So once this is dried out, you're not going to be able to pull it up like that. It's because there's still a little bit of moisture underneath the film, so you can go ahead and pull it back up if need be. And then don't be overly concerned about these edge pieces, because once this is dried out a little bit, you can come back and just press those right down. Right now there's just a little bit too much material there, and it's still a little bit too wet to fully seep down. I'll try to get most of them out here. But if you do have a stubborn one, you could come back to it. It's not a big deal. So now that you have that main front portion done, you can go ahead and move to the lower portion. That one is a heck of a lot easier. Same thing, straight on the film, straight on the light. And then go ahead and get that aligned. You could butt these films pretty close together. There's going to be a tiny, tiny little gap, but for the most part, you have full coverage on the frontal portion of this headlight. I do not have a microfiber on me, but I'll try to get the majority of the water out here. So when once this upper portion is filled that completely dry, you can go ahead and work down those little guys. There's still a little bit of liquid behind the film here, so that's why these aren't sticking right away. Probably like, I mean, if you give it like, I don't know, half an hour to an hour, just to sit there and then come back with your squeegee and just literally push them right down. You won't run into any issue. And then as well on this side, there's going to be a touch of overhang. So once that's completely dry, you can go ahead and just work that over that edge, and then you're all set. So again, this is the paint protection film installation. If you're interested in this or any of the other products, you could go ahead and give us a call. Our phone number is listed on the website, as well as our email address. And again, this is linked in the video description below. Thanks for watching.